Good morning, everyone. In our previous class, you have read that Sher Khan had shifted his hunting grounds from Venganga River to Seone Hills. Right? That's why Father Wolf became angry and said that it is against the law of the jungle, because the law of the jungle says that nobody has right to change the quarters without due warning. And he also said that the law of the jungle never orders man killing without any reason. If we kill a man without a reason, then everybody in the jungle suffer. When Mother Wolf heard something coming uphill, Father Wolf was ready for his leap. Then, directly in front of him, he saw a man cub who was looking his face and laughing. Mother Wolf was very happy to see the man's cub, as she had never seen a man's cub before. Today we'll read page number 44 and 45. Let's read. Father Wolf's jaws closed right on the child's back, and not even a tooth scratched the skin as he laid it down among the cubs. How little, how naked, and how bold, said Mother Wolf softly. The baby was pushing his way between the cubs to get close to the warm hide. The moonlight was blocked out of the mouth of the cave, for Sher Khan's great square head and shoulders were thrust into the entrance. The Bakwi behind him was squeaking, my lord, it went in here. Sher Khan does us great honor, said Father Wolf, but his eyes were very angry. What does Sher Khan need? My prey, a man's cub went this way, said Sher Khan. Its parents have run off, give it to me. Father Wolf knew that the mouth of the cave was too narrow for a tiger to come in. The wolves are a free people, said Father Wolf. They take orders from the head of the pack and not from any striped cattle killer. The man's cub is ours to kill if we choose. No, the child is mine. It's I, Sher Khan, who speaks, said the tiger. The tiger's roar filled the cave with thunder. Mother Wolf shook herself clear of the cubs and sprang forward, her eyes like two green moons in the darkness, facing the blazing eyes of Sher Khan. And it is I, Mother Wolf, who answers. The man's cub is mine, Sher Khan, mine. He shall not be killed. He shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and in the end he shall hunt you. Now go, go. The law of the jungle is very clear. All cubs must be taken to the council rock at the time of the full moon. The other wolves then see the new cubs and learn to recognize them. Now I am going to explain it. Father Wolf's jaws closed. Jaws means two bones or bony parts that hold the teeth and frame the mouth. Jaws means jabra, two bony parts that hold the teeth and frame the mouth. तो फादर वुल्फ ने क्या किया? फादर वुल्फ jaws closed right on the child's back. That means he closed his jaws on the child's back and he had not scratched the skin, not even a tooth. Right? He has not scratched the skin of the man's cub because he laid it down among the cubs. How little, how naked, and how bold. Mother Wolf was very happy to see the man's cub because the baby was pushing his way between the cubs to get close to warm hide. Baby क्या कर रहा था? अपने आप को push कर रहा था between the cubs to get close to the warm hide. अपना ताकि वह अपने आप को गर्म कर सके, वह अपना रास्ता खुद बना रहा था. द बेबी वॉज पुशिंग हिज वे. ही इज टेकिंग हिज मील विद द अदर्स. And so this is a man's cub. Now, was there ever a wolf that could boast of a man's cub among her children? Said Father Wolf. He is altogether without hair, and I could kill him with a touch of my foot. That means I could kill him, but see, he looks up and is not afraid. Look that, he is not scaring from us. Then Shere Khan came, and as he pushed himself for entering into the cave, जैसे ही उसने अपने आप को पुश किया फॉर एंटरिंग इनटू द केव, द मूनलाइट वाज ब्लॉक्ड आउट. Behind him, means behind Sher Khan, there was Tabaqui, who was squeaking. Squeaking means shouting that, my lord, it went in here. Who went in here? Man's cub. Father Wolf asked, what does Sher Khan need? इसको क्या चाहिए? शेर खां को क्या चाहिए? Sher Khan replied that I want my prey. Prey, prey. Prey means an animal that is hunted or killed by an another animal for food. Prey means शिकार. एक ऐसा शिकार जो कोई एनिमल हंट करता है या किल करता है अपने फूड के लिए, अपना खाने के लिए. शेर खान रिप्लाइड that I want my prey means shikar. Okay. Sher Khan answered that give this man's cup to me. It is my prey. ये मेरा शिकार है. Its parents have run off. इसके पेरेंट्स भाग गए थे. Now it is mine. ये मेरा शिकार है. Give it to me. He wanted to enter in the cave, but Father Wolf knew that the mouth of the cave was too small, too narrow. इतना छोटा है केव का माउथ फॉर अ टाइगर टू कम इन. मीन्स ही कैनॉट एंटर इन द केव. हु कैनॉट एंटर इन द केव? शेर खां, बिकॉज द माउथ ऑफ द केव वॉज टू नैरो फॉर अ टाइगर टू कम इन. देन फादर वुल्फ रिप्लाइड that we take order from the head of the pack. Means we cannot take order from any striped cattle killer. Sher Khan roared, गर्जने लगा that it is I. मैं शेर खां हूँ. Give this man's cup to me. But then Mother Wolf shook herself clear of the cubs. मदर वुल्फ ने अपना रास्ता कब से साफ करते हुए came forward, वे आगे आई and shouted from the cave, it is I. ये मैं हूँ मदर वुल्फ. This man's cub is mine. ये man's cub मेरा है. He shall not be killed. He shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and one day he shall hunt you. ये मारा नहीं जाना चाहिए. He shall live to run with the pack. ये हमारे साथ रहेगा. To hunt with the pack, and one day he shall hunt you. एक दिन he shall kill you. एक दिन ये तुम्हें मारेगा. Now go from here. Mother Wolf also said that the law of the jungle is all cubs must be taken to the council rock at the time of full moon. Then other wolves see the new cubs and recognize him. Sher Khan became furious. Furious means extremely angry, and went from there. Okay, students, we'll continue our story in our next class. Stay tuned. Have a good day.